In the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and the merciful for all, who is the master of day and night. Assalamu alaikum. On May 28, 2021, Pakistan celebrated dash anniversary of Yom Takbir. 23rd. Current Governor of Punjab is Balighur Rahman. What is the rank of Pakistan in 2021 edition of International Travel and Tourism Development Index? 83. Total countries 117. Who is the current IG of Sindh Police? Ghulam Nabi Memon. Which country topped the Travel and Tourism Development Index 2021? Japan. Who is the highest paid ECO in the world in 2021? Elon Musk. Which is the fastest supercomputer in the world? Frontier. Turkey's national name at the United Nations has been changed from Turkey to Turkey. When Quetta was devastated by an earthquake. 1935. When Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif made his first visit to Turkey. May 31st, 2022. Who became first Muslim woman deputy mayor of British town? Tafheen Sharif. When UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson won a no confidence vote, June 6, 2022. Which organization has been given legal cover to screen government official? ISI. How many MOU signed to boost border trade between Iran and Pakistan? 32. Which actor has been made UNDP National Goodwill Ambassador in Pakistan? Fawad Khan. Which credit rating agency downgraded Pakistan's outlook to negative from stable in June 2022? Moody's. According to World Bank report, million people globally have no access to electricity. 733 million. Which High Court declared e-chalans illegal in June 2022? Lahore High Court. Nabil Berry has been elected Parliament Speaker for 17th term of which country? Lebanon. Who won 14th French Open and record extended to 22nd Grand Slam? Rafael Nadal. Which city hosted Lahoti Melo 2022 for the first time? Karachi. Who became first Pakistan cricketer to win ICC Women's Player of the Month award? Tuba Hassan. Foreign Minister Bilawal Bhutto Zardari made his mission to Iran on which date? 14th June 2022. What is the current literacy rate in Pakistan? 63%. When TV host and MNA Amir Liaquat passed away? June 9, 2022. Which country reconstructed a 3D ear made of living cells in June 2022? USA. Which country voted to join the European Union's defense policy in June 2022? Denmark. Which is the 20th European country to adopt the euro currency from 2023? India. When Parliament passed Elections Amendment and NAB Amendment Bills 2022, June 9, 2022. Who has been appointed Prime Minister's Advisor on Establishment? Ahad Chima. When is the government presented federal budget for 2022-23? June 10, 2022. World Ocean Day is celebrated on June 8. How many Pakistani are currently member of the list of Cricket Hall of Fame? 6. Which Pakistani got senior position in United Nations in June 2022? Naveed Hanif. When Pakistan defeated West Indies in the second One-Day International? 10th June 2022. Which country hit by earthquake killing scores of people on 22 June 2022? Afghanistan. Which province will declare emergency to curb rising trend of rape cases? Punjab. What is the theme of World Day Against Child Labour for the year 2022? Universal social protection to end child labour. Which airport has been named as Best International Airport in the world? Hamad International Airport. Who is the current Chief of General Staff of British Army? General Sir Patrick Sanders. Distinguished Urdu scholar Gopi Chand Narang passes away on 15th June 2022. What is the theme of World Elder Abuse Awareness Day 2022? Digital Equality for All Ages. Who is the current Home Minister of Punjab? Ataullah Tadar. When is Global Wind Day celebrated? 15 June. Which country hosted the Global Conference for Young Parliamentarians in 2022? Egypt. Which country's journalist accused Nobel Peace Prize to aid Ukrainian children in June 2022? Russia. Who is the current Prime Minister of Somalia? Hamza Abdi Barry. Where FATF Financial Action Task Force held 4-day session in June 2022, Berlin. When Pakistan placed in grey list of FATF for the first time? 2008. When was Pakistan placed on the grey list of Pakistan for the last and third time? 2018. Which is the top-ranked Pakistani institute in the latest edition of QS World University Rankings 2023? NUST Islamabad. National University of Science and Technology, Islamabad. When is the International Day of Family Remembrance celebrated every year? 16 June.